You can sit. Oh, I thought there was big things that you can sit on.
So we're planning to buy this one.
It's up to Dada, yeah.
What is it?
8K.
Oh, what? Wow, look at the quality.
Is this no 4K HDR? Where's the HDR?
Yeah. Here's the same. This is the same one. We've been looking around, so if they give us a better price and better offer, what has this then? Yeah, we'll buy this maybe. We'll see. This is at Moa.
Hello world. So today we're gonna go get, because I've been vlogging with my phone because the big camera is too big. So Dada's gonna buy me a vlogging camera for my birthday. My only birthday gift. Yeah. But he's becoming a vlogger now and he's busy editing. And listen, shout out to Tristan G2.
Oh, wait, no.
Go check out this channel. It's linked here. I'll put it in the description below. Yeah. Now he's only vlogging like a few vlogs in there. It's not really like a lot. It's just most gaming. Maybe the gaming things that we're gonna be doing, we're gonna just plug it. So there's this ZV-1, Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera that I've been eyeing on for a while. And apparently it's a vlogging camera. It's a very nice vlogging camera. I'll go show you how it looks like. Been waiting for it for maybe 2 years, because the big camera that I have, like the Canon one, is like so big, so when you walk around with it, it's just too much to walk around with. So now I'm just vlogging with my phone the whole time, and yeah, we're gonna get it today. This is our sirs here. Hello, kamusta? So when you go inside where we are staying, they will be scrutinizing you, do your spot check, and they will come and search you. Joke lang. Becoming very warm now in the Philippines. So yeah, here is just rainy season and summer season. So there's no rain and then that's very hot. But the winter season is when it's raining, because everything is cool, but it is actually cooler. But whew, hot. Make a joke. They don't call it seamen anymore. It's now seafarer, because the seamen, they swim somewhere else. Mario can reach the because he's tall. Not everybody can reach. Me, I cannot reach. Wait. I can when I jump. Going upstairs. I'm telling Mario I must fix my hair before my birthday. Hello. He always never knows I'm vlogging.
We are going to get another vlogging camera.
Wow. Okay. We're going to Sony. They asked for a discount, so let's see if they're gonna maybe they can give us a bit of a better discount this time, because it was getting expensive. It's not moving. So they're walking down. And this is the Robinsons Mall. Oh yeah, there's Sony. Sony. Yes. Let's go. Oh, that's the Mac store. Huawei, and we're going to Sony. Here it is. Okay, let's see. Hello po. Hi ma. Hi sir.
Hello.
We are back. We are back. This is the camera we want to buy. The ZV-1. Blue. So I'm vlogging with my camera at the moment. This is how it's gonna look like. It's not so bad. Okay, she's giving me a lots of present now. What present is this? Oh, only for us. Yay!
For your pet.
For our pet. Oh, for Maya. Okay.
Ganda naman dyan.
Okay, so what do I get? Okay, so we get that one and that.
Better naman po ito na lang para kasi.
Oh, okay.
Kesa
Ano bang
pink,
kulay?
diba?
Hindi pink yan. Itong kulay.
Bakit kasi yung natira o pink?
Yeah, no, not pink. Kasi pag siya maghawak, di pink.
Oo, at least ito okay. Tapos may kasama pa naman ito na yung gray.
Oh, sige, okay.
Meron pa isang kasama to gray, di ba?
Yeah, okay.
Palagay ko, ito, hindi naman...
Gray.
But,
Oo, at least
May grade po dun, may
okay.
Ayusin ko lang, ma'am. Ha?
3-year guarantee.
Yes, sir.
3 years po. It's already 2 years and then you will just go to the website for the additional 1 year.
Okay, so we're finally buying. Let's see. We're gonna sit here. Look at the quality of this TV. Looks like it's fresh. I got a camera. Like this. Okay, so this is what we are gonna get. Okay, they gave an extra 64 gig, and okay, he's gonna explain to us what this is. Okay, still.
Let's try to open the unit. Open box.
Okay, so it's a new camera we're getting.
There's the ZV-1 together with the set of battery, windscreen for noise reduction, and the charger. with the memory card, 64 gig. So it's 4K.
Okay. It can shoot in 4K po, no?
Yeah, yeah.
You can open this one, put it in, and try to vlog with it and stuff. With it shaky, and then play and see. Okay, this one is the handle.
Just do the vlog with that one, and then you see just the bit.
Yeah.
What mode, ma'am?
Month,
Day, year, day, month, year.
Day,
Or
month,
month.
year.
Day, month, year.
So this one must always be plugged.
Yeah,
Connected.
yes, ma'am.
So-
This will use the battery of the unit.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking also.
There's the zooming and then the capturing for the photos and then
Okay.
for the recording.
Okay. So it's also using the battery
You will just push this one, ma'am.
to move.
To move.
Okay. So the handle was also using the battery. The handle.
That's why you need to
You need to have a second battery.
have another set of battery.
We have a camera, but it's the big Canon. The one.
SLR.
Yeah, DSLR. But it's so heavy. Pag nagba-vlog. Yung malaki, yung ano.
So let's try. So this one for
So the battery is still very low.
the settings. You will just push the mode so that we will change from movie to.
I think, okay, I'll figure it out. Okay, and then I also have this face mask, Sony face mask. So when I go to events, then I know, okay, I just use this one. Then I'm like, I'm a Sony guy, Sony lady. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, it's still recording. Ay, shame. By the way, there.
So we did get, and they don't have any, wala kayong freebie, wala kayong ano, what do you call this? So this is what we got. Wala? They don't even have a Sony pen. They are giving me a Koki pen. A Koki. Yeah, they give me collapsible ano? Pouch. Oh.
For your pet will you give additional?
Yeah.
The pet gets something.
The pet gets a collar and a face mask. Wait, let me see the face mask. I took out the thingy, but this is now. Oh, wow! Look, this is Mario. This is the thingy. I got a Sony mask. Yeah, made a Sony mask and everything. And this is for Maya. Yeah. But okay, I'm not gonna use it now. I'm busy charging my camera, so I'm vlogging with my phone. But the difference, man, like there's a very big difference. No, not like the front camera of the phone is never good, right? But the back camera is always good. But still, you can see the difference. Like now, I see you can see if you look closely on this one, there's always that sandy thing.
Yeah.
The other one is like smooth. Yeah, I'll put it side to side like this. Although the phone has got a wider angle view, and this one is like a bit of a. You have to like stretch your hand out so that you can get a wider view, but otherwise it's also good. Yeah. Come here, come. I want to take a photo of you with the thing. Come here. Shh. Just hold it nicely so I can take a nice photo. Chill.